All right, welcome to Stinger Salvage. Sorry, I got a little scratchy throat, so I'm sucking on a cough drop. I'm going to work on red fire here a little bit. When I first did the conversion, my 2012 donor car was a base model. So it's just got this pretty plain looking steering wheel. So pick this up at a swap meet, $400 for $100, not 400. Came with the airbag. Shouldn't need it, but anyway, I'm gonna see if I can get it to work. It's got the radio controls in it and the cruise control, whereas that one's just cruise control, I think. And this is leather wrapped, and that's just rubber. So let's see what it takes to swap this guy around. I've had this out before. Gotta get those plugs out. I can't do that with one hand, so thanks for your input, Crow. So I just had to pop these guys out. Use a little pick. Then there's bolts on either side. We'll take those out. Pull the airbag. You should unhook the battery. Still, probably even should let it, I think, sit for a period of time. I don't know what that is, so hopefully the airbag won't blow up in my face. Okay, so just unplug these two wires here from there. Just squeeze these little tabs in on either one. Right there. And that unplugs. I'm going to take this big bolt out. The whole thing should come off. So I took this big bolt out from the center. And you got to unplug this connector. And then the steering wheel should pull off. So these are the two side by side. Again, just basic cruise control. The plug looks to be the same plug, so just pinned differently for the controls. So yeah, should go back together no problem, I hope. All right, now I can hit the set and the cruise control works. I can adjust the volume of the radio, so everything works. All right, so easy upgrade for just $100. Nice leather wrapped steering wheel with some brushed aluminum on it. It's got all the controls. I can do the setup stuff through the dash, all the cruise control features, radio, mute, phone, all that stuff now. So it's got the nicer steering wheel and it looks better. So cool.